Here we go. What's up, you guys? Let's get right into this. I'm going to show you how to stake your Meld so you can get some interest, passive income going here. This is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes only. All right, so we're here at the meld.com website. I'm going to go up here to the app button. Bam. We're going to be using the Nami wallet. Seems to be the only wallet right now that you can link to Meld. If you don't have a Nami wallet, I did another video. You can check it out to get your Nami wallet. So we're going to go here to link and going to go to connect access. So whenever I link my wallets to these accounts, I always make sure to unlink them when I'm done. I'm going to show you guys how to do that after this. But make sure you're doing that with your MetaMask and everything. You don't want your wallets connected to a bunch of these sites. So I got my Meld here. I got my ADA. If you guys participated in the ISPO of Meld, it was awesome. It's the first time ever. I was really stoked on it. Didn't really know what was going to happen, but I wanted to be a part of it. And yeah, I'm pretty bullish long-term on Meld. I'm not going to stake all of my Meld because here, 6-month stake, 12-month stake. APY is 12% for the 6-month and 15% for the 12-month. That's annual yield. It's averaged because it's rewards for validating the network. So we can just go here to stake now. I'm not going to stake all of my Meld because I might want to sell some and take some profits if we rally. But I'm also I'm gonna hold a pretty long term on this, I think, because my downside's basically nothing and my upside could be huge. So I like that. I like nothing downsides and huge upsides. And what I want to be doing and what I'm looking at to do is when I'm taking profits, I'm moving into Anchor Protocol to get that 20% interest. So if you don't know how to do that, you can check out this video. I did another video on how to get interest on Anchor Protocol and set that up. So now here we go. Stake amount 1,100. You got to have some ADA in your wallet because there is a fee if you don't have enough. Then it won't let you do it. Also, it was just stating there's a little note that says that you can't stake again or unstake. So it basically seems like you got your wallet, you have a Meld amount, you can stake it one time, that's locked for 6 months. If you want to add more, if you want to stake more Meld, you're going to need to, it looks like you're going to need to make a second wallet. Kind of disappointed in this transaction fee, 2.5 ADA. That's pretty high, but whatever. For this video, I'm doing it. Whatever. Got to get the passive income going. All right, here we go. Confirm. Signing. Fee. Sign. Oh. Password. Bam. And that's it right there. Transaction. 6 months staked. So we got our 1,100 Meld staked here. Last thing I want to do is I want to go up to my Nami wallet and I want to disconnect, unlink my my wallets. I'm going to show you here. You click on the profile up here, go down to settings, go to whitelisted sites, and then I'm just going to click the X there. Bam. And then we're no longer linked because I don't like to leave my wallets linked to protocols when I'm not using them. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on Meld. It seems like it's going to be the first lending protocol, crypto lending protocol that lets you borrow fiat currency against your crypto, which seems awesome. And there's another ISPO that's going on right now for Sunday Swap that I think you can still get in. I'm not totally sure, but I did another video on that as well. You can check that out if you want to try and get in to another ISPO. I'm going to keep my eyes on these ISPOs. I think it's awesome and it's never really been done before. Us smaller investors have never had the opportunity to get into projects this early before they hit the market and with very little downside. So it's freaking sweet. I'm stoked on it and I hope you learned something in this video and keep aping, keep hodling. Woo!